Oh. What's up, guys? Eric with Hooked Off the Grid. I'm here with my boy Manny B from Skinny Water Boys. Check out his channel if you haven't. So we're on a mission. We're gonna try to catch a DD this weekend, hopefully, or a good fish, period. We are fishing an extremely tough Mississippi River that we have been on before. Guys, it is tough. We fished tournaments out here. I fished it about 4 or 5 times and have been skunked 3 of those times. Manny has had one good day out there before, so our hopes aren't too high, but we got a little intel from our boy that said it was fishing pretty good, so we're gonna give it a shot. We'll see how it goes. Hopes aren't too high, but we'll find out tomorrow morning. Hey, hang with us. We'll see you on the water, and wish you some luck, guys. Well, good morning, boys. We just got done rigging up. Boys are waiting on me. I'm holding them up, so we're gonna hurry up and get on the water. Nice, cool morning. I know that boy Nick's ready to get out there. First time out here at this place.
Hey, yes, sir, let's get it.
Man, he's already been telling me hurry up.
Set up right here. We got the blue sky. Let's go.
Guys, we'll see you on the water. I'm gonna hurry, throw my stuff on there, and hopefully we can get on some fish. Dang it, man. I thought my camera was on. First fish of the day on the spinnerbait. He ain't a bad one. These fish are dense. I was running the spinnerbait along the side up there. Stuck this nice one. Look at that fatty, dude. He is fat. Oh, another one. Heck yeah, baby. Yes, sir. Check that out, boys. Second one of the day. Another nice little chunk. Just running the spinnerbait along the side. You're getting on him now. Hopefully this bite keeps up. Oh, let's go, boys. That was sick. That was so sick. That's a nice one right there, son. Heck yeah. Bro, 3 already. Double hooked. Trailer and main hook. This is one thing I love about lakes is when you find one, there's usually more right next to them. Lakes can be tough though. I don't really love lakes, but man, days like today where they're biting this fast, that makes it fun. If I can ever get this trailer hook out of him. There we go. Look at that slab. These fish are dense. Check that out. Get a quick little measurement on him. That is the second 18. Heck yeah. Guys, I'm finding out a pattern. They've been on the right side of the cove, way back in those pockets. Left side of the coves, I hadn't got anything. They've been stuck to the right, so I'm hitting all the right side of every single cove. Another one. Let's go, baby. Nice little chunk. Double hooked again. Check that out, boys. Another little bitty one. Oh, God dang it. There we go. On the trailer hook, boys. Heck yeah. That's why I love those trailer hooks. Hook twice and hook nice. Oh, fish on, baby. Oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. We might have to switch to the swims here in a minute. Look at that, guys, a little short fatty. We might have to switch to some swims and get some bigger fish. That ain't a bad one though. They're thick out here. Oh, maybe 3 or 4. Oh, Manny. You might go 5, dude. Check that out, boys. Freaking stud. Let's go. All right, boys. Got it zeroed out. Let's see what this old girl went. $5.18.
$5.18. Let's go.
Heck yeah.
$5.18, boys. Eric with the tank. First tank of the day.
Hopefully we get some more.
Yeah, right here. $5.18. There we go.
That release, boys. These big ones, you let go with care. All right, guys, so just a little bit of an update. I think I've caught 5 or 6 fish. It's been a phenomenal morning. It is lunchtime, so I'm gonna grub real quick. I'm starving. My mental game is getting weak, so figured I better give it a break. It's been probably an hour or so without a bite, so I've actually seen some fish. I threw the swim bait, had about a 6-pounder, bump it and follow it all the way to the boat. It was a heartbreaker. Could have had that 5.5 and a 6 on the Citizen, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do after lunch. I don't know if I want to slow roll some swim baits or keep going conventional. Conventional seems to be the way to go. I'm killing it, or I killed it this morning, and we're just gonna see what happens after lunch. So hang with me. I'm gonna snack real quick. Hopefully we can get on some more fish. Oh yeah, fish on, baby. Heck yeah, boy. Look at him go. That's what I'm talking about. Here we go, boys. First one after the lunch break, and we're back in business. We can get some bigger ones. Toad, toad. Look at that little guy. As big as my swim bait, boys. Update, guys. Toad alert. Oh no. Gotta fight him to get back in the boat. Oh. Let's put him up in the camera, make him look really big. God. Look at that. Jeez Louise, boys. Future share lunker right there. Chunk. Dinksaritas. Alright guys, so that is the end of day one. Phenomenal day of fishing. It was all conventional. As much as I love swim baits, I hate to say it, I had to resort to spinner baits and chatter baits, but hey, that's the way lake fishing is. It was a fun day though. First day out on the blue sky, which was awesome. Guys, that boat is amazing. I had such a freaking blast on it. If you're local to the area, be sure to check out TG Canoe and Kayaks. They have got this platform ready to go to demo, and they'll let you take it out. I had an awesome time. I'll do probably a quick little review on it tomorrow before we leave, but it's getting cold, it is chilly, and we are back at camp. You got Manny over there still. He's changing. Sorry Manny, I didn't realize he was changing. We're about to throw some ribeyes on. We got Nick.
Today's video brought to you by the Body Wipe. Do you ever go camping? Do you hate using baby wipes on your body? Buy yourself a body wipe.
Guys, we all had a fun time. It has been a blast, and we have got one more day of fishing, and we're gonna get up in the morning and see how it goes. We got till 11 a.m. We're gonna give it our best, so we'll see what happens. But we're about to grub. We've got camp set up, and we're all exhausted, so we'll see tomorrow. If you don't see a video for day two, well, you know what happens. Obviously we didn't catch nothing. But anyways guys, appreciate you hanging with me, and we'll see you in the morning. There's that West Texas wind, boys. Look at that. Well, day two was a bust. We gave it our best. Didn't catch nothing really but dinks. So I'm gonna get out of here before this wind gets too bad. But it was a fun trip.